December 1987. The big dig begins. Heading underground were two armies of excavators, each over 4,000 strong, one French and one British. Each team would dig out from its own shoreline, racing to be the first to the midway point under the channel. The Brits were a tunnelling elite drawn from major worldwide underground projects. Calling themselves the Tunnel Tigers, they set great store by teamwork.
One-man armies don't go very far. You know, it takes quite a few lads to keep something like this going.
Commanding them is Chief Engineer Gordon Crichton. The French digging team were the underdogs, locally recruited and trained up for the project.
It's the first time any of us have done a job like this. Everyone's proud to be involved.
Leading the French troops was Laurent Leblanc. They had to dig two main rail tunnels, plus a central service tunnel, together as wide as a 4-lane motorway. 245 cross passages, crucial escape routes in the nightmare scenario of a fire or accident in the tunnel. Above the tunnels, vents to release the huge air pressure from speeding trains. And giant crossover caverns, allowing trains to divert from one tunnel to the other to allow for maintenance. It all added up to a staggering 153 kilometres of tunnel to be dug. Meet the tunnel boring machines. These underground leviathans spearheaded the Channel Tunnel dig. They were 200 metres long. That's the length of 2 football fields. They weighed 1,100 tons apiece, as much as a World War II destroyer. And they were twice as wide as a tank. Yet, as Gordon Crichton reveals, the way that TBMs work is surprisingly simple.
Imagine this is the bed of the channel. The machine is rotating underneath the sea, and as it rotates, the spoil from the tunnel is taken out the back, put into railway wagons and carried to the surface for disposal. Also, as it rotates, it erects a lining, a support round it, which is the permanent lining.
12 French and British TBMs excavated the tunnels 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The TBM's high-tensile forged steel blades carved out 10 tons of rock with every turn. Every day, hundreds of concrete slabs were shipped in to line the tunnel roof as it was dug. They were as big as a family car and 3 times as heavy. This is no ordinary concrete. Specially made to a recipe using granite, it's stronger than the stuff they use to build nuclear reactors. The TBM's powerful hydraulic arms pushed the slabs into place, forming the tunnel wall.